passengers for flight GA642 to Rome, please go to gate 26.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Delta Airlines Flight 2998 bound for Atlanta, Georgia, with continued service to Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. All carry-on items should now be stowed securely, either in an overhead bin or...
What is this? What is this? Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Okay, come. Come here. Yeah. Wait, I'll take you out. Wait. I'll take you out. I'll set you free, bro. Go. Yeah. It's running so fast. Come. Very good boy. Relax. Come on. Jimba, let's go in, bro. Chẳng có dây làm Jimba. Khai thằng này đi à đây. Đi qua đây.